Now I'll just do 14 because I didn't really understand what 13 meant about, distance. So 14 so write it as an algebraic expression. So I just prefer writing as inverse because, it's just easier to look at. So, when we do things like this, what's inside the bracket is usually the theta, right? So, let me write that neater. Okay. So, theta equals cosine inverse cosine x. But if we add that, actually not sine, if we do a cosine theta and cosine inverse cosine x, then we'll have cosine theta equals these will cancel out together, and then we'll have x. Okay, and then if we just draw this, it's always we like it as the right triangle because it's easier. Okay, so cosine, so that's 1, that's x. Because, cosine, so, yeah. So, now, what's this? What's this part? This part's root 1 squared minus x squared, which is just root 1 minus x. Okay, now, to come back to our real question, what's the inverse cosine of what? X. Then we'll just say, so this would be our triangle of cosine inverse cosine x. Okay, so all we have to do now is just get the sine value. So sine here, so we'll have root 1 minus x squared. Okay, x squared, who cares? X squared over 1, which just equals 1 minus x squared.